Hi guys, so here 1 plus 64y cube needs to be factorized, and any idea which identity are we going to use to do so? Any idea guys? I'm sure there must be so many in your mind, which of course I can't hear it, but at least while I work it out you can get confirmed from your end. Okay, so any idea? So as per me, I feel that this 1 is very flexible. It can go to a cube easily, which means we can write 1 cube, and for this we can also write in terms of cube 4y and whole cube, isn't it? So we have this. Alright. So while doing this, okay, we need to use some identity, and as a result we can use, okay, using a cube plus b cube, which is equal to what? A plus b. Have you all learnt up or not? Okay, so a square minus ab plus b square. All right, so remember guys, whenever there is a minus here, okay, there will be a minus here, but inside the second one there will be positive. Okay, all of it, even be AB, okay, will be positive along with them. But if there is a positive here, okay, there will be, okay, strangely a minus AB here. Anyways, I won't call it strangely, it's all maths. When you multiply this with this, you end up getting this. Okay, so I have a detailed video on this. Okay, the entire playlist is on algebraic identities, the derivation, and also a number of sums based on them, so you can go and have a look. So here we have, okay, a cube plus b cube, which is, okay, matching with this, so which means we can expand this in terms of this. So let's see how it comes out. Okay, so 1 cube plus 4y whole cube is equal to, okay, 1 plus 4y, and then another one, okay, we have 1 square, which is 1. Okay, let me keep writing. We have 1 here, and this is 4y, and I have a plus over here, and 4y is to be squared up. Okay guys, so this is how it's going to be. Next we come to 1 plus 4y. This we can write as 64. Okay, that was just to show to you. Okay, y cube, and this is 1, and this is minus 4y, and this is plus 16y square. Remember, this is a square. Okay, as this was a square, this is square, not cube. Okay, so this happens to be your final answer. So this was as simple as this. Okay, so there's nothing to be worried about seeing, you know, such voluminous sum. So they only scare you, but they are very, very simple. Okay, and quite timid to deal with. Okay guys, so bye bye. That was nice, you know, and I hope you all enjoyed the sum. Bye bye.